Wagwan. Hey, come in, junglers. We need one more. The home of my ancestors, divided by invisible borders, but I play Babylon I play. For the riches of the earth, they are willing to rage a bitter war, dividing my people in their homeland from near and far. Tribal war in Africa, who's responsible? No nation should meddle in other nations' affairs. That I would take to Africa. Burning Spear will have to be on the plane. Burning Spear would have to be on the plane.
Okay.
Yes. I, Buju Banton, would have to be there. Steve Marley would have to be on that aeroplane. Yes?
Yes, sir.
And without no disrespect, Marcia Griffiths would have to be on that plane from Jamaica. Yes? And without no apology, I've got to carry some love in the house. Barry Salmon would definitely be on that plane. Because we're coming with a package to not only soothe, but to reminisce, and let them fall in love all over again. I want to see the Sahel. Burkina Faso awaits us later.